We are here at round one in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am going to do a quick tour of the prize room. I am doing a voiceover because the copyrighted music was super loud. Here's some little keychains, some electronic toys. Here is another display of little electronic themed keychains. Over here we have some anime backpacks and some, not backpacks, I'm sorry, tote bags, stickers. Here is some Animal Crossing plush pillow for, what was that, 3,820 tickets. A bit high when compared to some other plush in this prize room, but it is a name brand. And here we have some sports themed arcade prizes. There's some rainbow llama plush, those keychains again. So yeah, round one definitely has, out of all the arcade chains in the US, round one has the best prizes. My second favorite prize room would be, of course, Dave & Buster's, but round one, I think I like round one the best is because they have unique prizes. A lot of their prizes are imported from Japan. Not everything, but most of it is imported from Japan, so it's pretty unique compared to other arcade prize areas. Here it's Lunar New Year, so there's some Lucky Cat merchandise, all kind of cat themed merchandise on this display, like that little cat outfit for 1,200, and on the end there is like a mystery box of a Japanese cat toy. Here we have some lamps, a backpack that says round one. I think that backpack was and a t-shirt were the only thing that was themed with round one. You know, I like to usually get a souvenir that has the arcade on it, but I didn't. The t-shirts were really small, and that, I don't know, that backpack was pretty plain for my taste. And then here we have some anime toy figurines, keychains. These are all like Japanese characters that I know absolutely nothing about, but I'm sure you'll recognize it. Here is some cute little plush. If you didn't win anything at the claw machine, you can always cash in tickets for some cute plush. Lots of cute plushes. Again, these are all like Japanese characters. And there's some squishies and some bags and some figurines they have locked up because they're worth a lot. And some higher priced ticket prizes. Right here is the candy for people who don't win that many tickets. You can always get some cheap little candies. And then here's some little plastic toys, again, for the kids who don't win a lot of tickets. Here is some more expensive plush, like just this keychain right here is 1,600 tickets. It is adorable. And why didn't we do end up getting a bunch of plush, but I totally forgot about that. I wish I would have remembered that toy because I did not get it. It's adorable. And then that little well is adorable. And here we have some cute little Japanese girls, just some cheaper chip clips and little piggy banks. And here is some dog toy stuff. And I don't know, just little bits and pieces of just really fascinating stuff. Definitely a great prize room.